Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, the ChrisVossShow.com. He coming here with another cool product from Livall.com. That's Livall.com. And it's their BH51M range cycling helmet. This thing is pretty interesting for all the features it's got on it. It's not just your dad's cycling helmet. This thing is all fingered, brand new. It won several awards at CES 2018 for Innovation Awards, and also the IFA 2017 Innovation Award, and Eurobike Winner Award of just having an innovative product. It's got built-in LED smart lighting, hands-free calling technology, quality stereo sound. It actually has little speakers inside the helmet, so you can play your music or talk on the phone through the helmet. It's got SOS alert and walkie-talkie features where you can take and communicate with members of your cycling group. It's got an LED smart warning light that's got automatic inductive lighting with 270-degree visible LEDs that go around the back of the helmet, with an LED smart warning lighting that shows your turn signals. You can use the remote control that comes with it to let people know whether they're going left or right, etc., or just to watch out for you on the road. It's really lightweight and breathable in the way they've made this thing so that air passes through it and helps keep you cool. It's got a master control system with stable Bluetooth connection, automatic identification on target, and it's got an IPX4 waterproof rating. And it's got an open speaker design, quality stereo sound. It works pretty good for what you're doing when you're out riding a bike. You won't miss important calls, and you get a clear voice on hands-free calling that it can be done through it. You can use an SOS immediate notification of an accident you might have that can be sent to family members or friends to let them know that you've had a biking accident. It's got fashion trend, a high-tech device in vintage look with handmade PU leather brim, and it's got modern urbanity to it, whatever you want to call it that way. The headset is designed to have the airflow in and out, so the cool air comes in and the hot air goes out the back, and it's got a security certification for Bluetooth and everything else when it comes down to it. The app works really well. It's got some really cool feature-rich designs to it, and I got to tell you, I was very impressed. So be sure to go to their website at Livall.com. Check out the Bling helmet BH51M. This thing's pretty darn amazing, and it can make your cycling a whole lot more funner.
Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way, gotta find out what's in the box.